here I go to shop for the necessities to make the best barbecue chicken and outdo chocolates.
Okay, Vanilla thinks she can do a better chicken than me. Let's see that today.
That bitch didn't pick up my chicken for me, so I have to get it myself. Not impressed.
Hey, that woman, she gonna cry. Let me show you.
Samia, I hope you, wait, 8 for, wait, okay, wait. 8 for 179 or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is where I get in trouble because I always debate. Wait, I think 8 for 179, and I can choose them, is a better deal. So here we go.
Let's see how we go that battle. Let me show you what I have today. Hey, that woman, she gonna cry. Today I'm going to representing my ancestor, my brother and sister, because yo, black people, we know how to make that chicken. So let's see how we go that battle.
Make lists, I don't follow them, I don't bring them in the store. It's more like a process than dried figs. My weakness. You don't know how tempting this is for me right now.
Okay, of course we have the chicken, some of my spices, and I can tell you everything because this is a secret recipe.
Ginger, peppers, more peppers to keep up with that guy who bought a lot of peppers, more peppers. You got to test my skills at Cuban meals. Grapefruit's my favorite fruit, by the way. Grapefruit's favorite fruit. Onion. Thyme. Everyone needs a little thyme. Never gets old. Cilantro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. From the sold-out Bell Center in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It's time! Fighting out of the blue corner.
Bam!
And now, introducing the champion, fighting out of the red corner.
And bam!
It's time!
This is where the crime going to be happening. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo.
Okay, so guys, I think I'm going to be able to protect myself well with this. And these are going to keep the grease out of my eyes from spraying my eyes because I don't want to go blind. And then I'm going to just make sure I stay warm. So I'm going to throw a jacket on. But I think that I am ready. Hey, Chocolate. Say hi to the camera. My legs are cold.
Hey, check my white friend. Hey, making the dance of the fire. Hey, hey. Hey, check. Eh? You didn't see her outfit yet. Let me show you. Hey, Canadian people, no joke.
This is what Canadians are supposedly doing in the winter, according to TikTok.
Yeah, you know, Canada, we no joke, eh?
It's to toughen you up, you know?
And check that fire. Huh?
So somebody told me there's a risk of getting sparks in your eyes, so I thought I would protect myself.
This is exactly what she
So what are you doing, Vanilla?
So I got a few little tips when I was living in Cuba, and one of them was how to make the best yuca, which is also known as cassava. Best yuca ever, which is boiling yuca, so it's like steamed, and it's called yuca con mojo, and it's basically like onion and garlic and awesomeness all together.
Check.
Hey, when a white woman says that she made chicken spicier than hers, you better believe her. That white lady tell me, her chicken gonna be spicier than mine. She's joking. Don't touch your chicken to my chicken.
I'm not trying. Oh my god.
Yeah, you heard me.
This is no joking.
This is
here,
war.
guys.
You started this.
This is not a joke.
You started this. You know that. $10? And did I tell you guys she didn't buy my chicken for me?
God, you should gonna say that. So guys, that chicken is not done yet, oh. She think like we were joking, so we season it first. And you real black people, you know after that, we're taking a brush and we brush it.
I will put all that seasoning in.
I feel like if I leave her unattended, she's gonna fuck with my chicken. That's what I feel like. So I have to watch her. And can you guys smell that? Holy shiza.
Yep.
Oh my god. This girl is on fire! Burn, baby, burn! Disco Inferno!
It's not a barbecue chicken if you don't have your homemade barbecue sauce.
You totally cheated. Don't call that homemade, you motherfucker.
Yeah, it was home, and I
then-
made it at home. Homemade. Yes, baby. Yes.